Select a Mustek camcorder. Mustek camcorders are a relatively unpopular brand. However, they have their share of decent reviews from end users. If you are thinking of buying a camcorder that does not put too much strain on your budget, then a Mustek camcorder might just be the answer. 1. Check out the various models of Mustek camcorders on their official website. Open your choice of web browser from your personal computer. Afterwards, key in mustek.com into the address bar of the web browser and hit enter on your keyboard. You should now be directed to the official website of Mustek. Click on the tab entitled Products once. After that, go to the Imaging Products section and click on the item Digital Video Cameras. You should now be directed to the DV Series section where all available models of Mustek camcorders are detailed. Just click the image representing each of the models to know more information about the product. 2. Read up on end-user reviews on various Mustek camcorder models. After checking out the various models of Mustek camcorders, it would be a prudent move to search for end-user reviews of the product. Simply type in Mustek camcorder reviews into the search field of your web browser. Read through all of the relevant reviews of the Mustek camcorders to know how people who actually own and use the product rate it. 3. Buy from the Mustek camcorder website directly. Once sure of which Mustek camcorder model to buy, then it is time to buy it from their official website. Click on the online store link found at the topmost portion of Mustek's homepage. Afterwards, click on the image right above the label Mustek Digital Video Cameras to finally see the models available and their corresponding prices. Click on the image of the specific Mustek camcorder you are thinking of buying and click on the Add to Cart button. Doing so should direct you to the What's in My Cart section. Here the Mustek camcorder model you chose, the quantity, and the total price will be detailed. Click on the Checkout button afterwards once you've checked that all the details of your order are correct. Now, you will be directed to a page where you will need to sign into Mustek. If you are a first-time customer, you will have the option to create an account. Having an account with Mustek entitles you to the various services that come with purchasing their camcorders. You can also track your order if you have an account with Mustek. If however you deem that creating an account with them is not necessary, then go ahead and click on the Checkout button. You will be required to key in your personal information, including your name, contact, and shipping information. Of course, You will also have to provide your credit card details as well for the transaction to be finalized. Be mindful of the Mustek camcorder reviews you access. Most of it are probably paid reviews, so getting an honest feedback might be impossible. To make sure that the ones you read have actually been written by end users themselves, then check out online communities that discuss the subject.